Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to delete a YouTube video. In order to delete a YouTube video, it's very simple. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guided. Now to begin with, open up a browser. If you do it from the phone, either way the procedure will remain the same. So basically you need to head over to your YouTube channel. So go to studio.youtube.com and log in into your account. Now once you log your account, there are the videos in your draft. Now if you delete the video that you have already published, all you have to do is just tap on the title, and after that tap on three-dot icon once you've done that. If you're sure about deleting it permanently, tap on delete forever and mark on this I understand that deleting is permanent and it cannot be undone. So click on delete forever, and as soon as you've done that, the video will be deleted permanently. However, if you want to delete the video that's saved on your draft and it's unpublished, what you need to do is do the same procedure. Tap on three-dot icon, click on delete forever, tap on delete, mark on the terms and condition, and delete draft video as well. So once you've done that, that's how you can delete your video on your device. That is all for this video. I hope your video was. If it helped you, make sure to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.